Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. Currently in a trade right now. Up 18. Right now, I'm up 1800 right now. Did a sale on EURUSD at 1326. Right now, the market's at 1323. Things are going pretty well so far. I got 111 contracts in at 41 bucks. So I'm due to make like close to $4,000 on this trade. I should put this account at $40,000 with $6,000 of risk. But right now the trade's going well. Let's take a look at the chart. So I got in up here on this candle here when it was green up here. Now hopefully these things continue to move down and I get this downside movement and trade win. But right now we have 52 minutes left right now on the trade, so we'll get back with you guys in a moment. Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. Just a small little update. Still got 21 minutes left on the trade. Up 3,500. Right now, the market's moved down a little more, down to 1321. We can take a look at the chart. Boom, we got downside action right here. Things are going very well. New strategy that I've been working on. Working perfectly fine. So it's going to be time, guys. It's going to be time. It's coming soon. I'll be able to have success, and maybe when things get better, once the success hit, and teach you a couple of you guys how to do what I'm doing. But I ain't gonna talk too much longer. Still have 20 minutes left on the trade. I'll get back with you guys in a moment. Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins back in here. Trades at 13.18 right now. We're under a minute. We're definitely in the green. Things are going very well with that. Just watch the trade win, man. I don't know what just happened to the time though. That's weird. That clock was still be counting down. It just disappeared. It's all good though. I know I'm winning this trade. You can see where the chart is at right now. My entry was way up here. So as you can see, I'm excellent entry point. And you see where my strategy gets me in very good positions to see profits as far as binaries go. But this same strategy can be used on Forex as well. So we'll see what happened with this. There it is. 41,000. All right. Well, y'all seen the results of the trade, and it went well. Up to comps at the 41,000. Y'all see how I made 10,000 tonight on in the market tonight. So I'm pretty much done. I'm not gonna do any more trading for tonight. But this strategy can be used on the Forex market. I just haven't tested it and demoed it and see how I can use the trade Forex. But I pretty much, like, as far as what I'm doing right now, I can pretty much scalp and make a lot of scalp trades. But we'll see how this thing go, man. Y'all see the trade one. Alex Jenkins checking out, y'all.